want to learn how to make a bomb-ass coffee with 4 easy steps, just keep on watching. So first, you start off by filling up a cup with ice. It doesn't matter how much ice you put, just your preference. Then you grab any kind of milk, it doesn't matter, and you fill up your cup. Just about there. Leave a little bit of space. Then you grab your coffee of choice or preference, any kind of coffee that you like. Then you grab a spoonful of coffee and you add it to your milk. With the coffee, you add, it's to your preference too, how strong you want it or how light you want it. And then you just mix. Last but not least, you add your sugar. Also, I usually put 4 spoonfuls of sugar. It depends how sweet you want it. And then you just enjoy.
This is how I make the best iced coffee at home so that I'm not wasting all my money on Starbucks. So I have my glass of ice and then I use this Califia. I love this brand. It's not sponsored coffee. It's like a cold brew. And then I put in this unsweetened vanilla Califia almond milk. It's so good. It's my favorite one. I put in just a little bit of this oat milk creamer, a tiny bit of honey if you want to make it just a little bit sweeter. I put cinnamon on basically everything, so I'm just going to dump some in. It's time to stir it up. I'm using a paper straw. I don't care that this sucks. I know it does, but we're gonna save the turtles. Time for the taste test. This is delicious. Starbucks, you got nothing on me.